10 p.m. train of ASHVALE Junction. Writer Sarkar. That evening, we headed toward the station. On the way, Meher said she wanted tea, so we stopped at a tiny roadside tea stall and ordered 2 cups. As we sat there drinking tea and chatting, dark clouds suddenly gathered overhead. Meher looked outside and said, "Is it going to rain?" It suddenly became so dark. We'll get drenched before we even reach the station. Before I could reply, the old tea seller suddenly asked, "Are you talking about ASHVALE Junction?" Meher and I exchanged glances. "Yes, Grandpa, we're going there." "Why, what happened?" The old man replied softly, "Nothing, I was just asking." But there was fear in his voice. Meher frowned. "Why are you scared?" "We're going there to live stream the 10 p.m. train. We make videos about these things." The old man's face turned pale. "What are you saying? Are you insane? Leave this place immediately. Forget about that train. If you want to live, leave." As he spoke, he suddenly pulled down the shop shutter. Before we could say anything, lightning flashed across the sky, and heavy rain began pouring down. My curiosity only grew stronger. Meanwhile, Meher had already started live streaming